Well, I have a guest today in my video. This is my mom. And I made my dad do this one time, but mom's here today. We've got a doctor's appointment, and I'm like, we'll just go take advantage of the time and do a little video with her. So mom's gonna show us an activity called Chalkboard Circles. And just real quick, before we do this, let's talk about how you can connect with us. If you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, it's okay. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can read about testimonies, so success stories. You can do all kinds of things like read about what we do. You can take a quiz, and you can also schedule a consultation. All right, so now let's get back to showing you chalkboard circles, and we're gonna have my mom demonstrate this. She's a little bit nervous, but I know you guys will be really great and probably drop some comments down below about how cute she is and all that kind of stuff. So she's like, jelly. Actually, when I told her that we were doing this video, I got the Julianne. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, Mom, on this. You're gonna take a little piece of chalk in each hand. So right like this, and I'm gonna have you position so that you're kind of more central here to that little X. Okay. See that? Mm-hmm. So we wanna twist you here just a little bit like this. And you can move your other leg, move it back just a little, there you go. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your chalk up here on each side like this. Mm-hmm. So go ahead and put your little chalk up there on that side and then on that side. Don't do anything yet. Just leave your chalk up there, like kind of your hands up there. Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna draw circles. I'm gonna help you out here, okay? So we're gonna go, let's do circles to the right. So go to the right.
Oop.
On both sides. Oh, you gotta do both sides at the same time.
Okay.
So this is the tricky part about this one. We're gonna try it again, okay? All right, so now you're gonna try, and you can make big circles. So they can be like big, but now go to the right at the same time with both hands. You're trying to do it. There. Oh, there you go. Okay, good. So they can be small or they can be big. Okay. Let's see if we can go a little bit bigger. Okay, so now, let's see. So let's see if you can make circles that are like, kind of like that size.
Okay.
Okay, so you get to go wild and crazy with your circles. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, so then what I would do is I would look at this and I would say, okay, hey, that's really good. How far apart are you from this X? Mm-hmm. Which one is farther?
This one.
Okay, which one's more up in the air? Which one's bigger? That one? Okay, well, you're right-handed, so that stands to reason. That's probably why. And then, so what we would do is we would work, that could tell us a little bit of something about how her vision is working for her. And it also tells you a little bit about sightedness of the body too. So what we might do is we might work on that over and over and over again until the circles we get consistent on both sides, being the same size, same distance apart, and in the same position, like not having one up or twisted. So we're gonna do one more thing here, I think. This time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to do, which would you think would be easier for you? Do you think it'd be easier to do circles in, like this, or circles out?
No, in.
In, okay, so we're gonna do circles in. So go ahead and kind of think about where does your chalk need to be if you're gonna make circles in towards the center of that. Same time. Oh, look at that. Okay.
I didn't do good on that one.
No, and then one other thing, this is interesting and really cool though. So this is a good example. So you circled the X, right? Mm-hmm. We actually want the circle to be over here on this side. And so you got to think about positioning.
What do you mean, this over here?
Yeah. So that you're making your circles one on each side. So this is a good activity to do with kids and adults. It works really, really well for lots of different visual problems. It's really great because it makes people think, and it helps them deal with space and programming and planning their space out. Oh, cool. Okay, you did good. All right, so now let's look. Which one, do they look about the same distance?
Yeah, they do.
Pretty close, right? This one might be just a smidge farther. Mm-hmm. And then what about size? Which one's more kind of circle?
This one is bigger, circle.
And that one's a little bit more like
because I'm left-handed.
Right. You're not used to it.
Uh-uh.
So this is an activity that works for patients who have strabismus, amblyopia, traumatic brain injury, strokes, like pretty much any type of visual condition. Also works really well for just basic things like teaching kids to help them for things like tracking, following a ball. So it's good for sports. It builds like the concept of two halves of the body to coordinate together for binocular vision. So pretty much any type of visual condition we can think of that there would be a problem, you can do this with. And then what you do is you would just work on them analyzing. So they evaluate their own work and they would tell you, yeah, this one's bigger, it's more circular. Yeah, this one's closer or more in the sky. But them analyzing it helps them to also learn a skill which is called discrimination. And so this is another, again, this has so many different things that you can do with it. It's teaching so many different types of skills. And if you continually have the person work on it to make it the same on both sides and evaluate what they're doing, they're just getting better and better and better, and they're more discriminating how they're improving and all of that as well. So chalkboard circles, super simple. You can also do this with just a whiteboard, like a white erase board if you don't like the chalk and all that kind of feeling and that kind of stuff. But the difference with the whiteboard is you do have to be careful because a lot of kids that are a little out of control, or adults maybe who've had traumatic brain injuries, they may end up getting markers all over. So definitely wear clothing that's friendly to this if you're doing it with markers. You can do this on windows too. So if you use erasable markers on a window, it works well. Or just a big sheet of paper or something, it works well with that also. So it has a lot of different applications for many different varieties of people and visual conditions. And so this is something you might want to try out at home. And it's also really good skill building for young kids too. So teaching them at an early age to be aware of both halves of their body is super important. All right, so we're coming to the end of the video. My mom's probably like, oh my gosh, when is this going to be done? Mom, thank you.
Oh, I'm done?
You're done.
Oh,
So-
that wasn't bad.
Oh, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. All right, so
Okay.
what we're gonna do is just remind you that if you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to gather more information about how we might be able to help you, you can call us if you're local, 618-288-1489. If you're not local, that's okay. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com, and what you can do there is schedule a consultation. And then as always, if you found this interesting and maybe you're a grandma or a grandpa watching this and you're like, oh, I'm gonna pass this on to my kids for the grandkids, well then please pass it on. Thank you.